A study of a population of 1,200 frogs revealed that 12 out of 180 frogs in the population have spots on their back. Based on the results of this study, how many frogs in the population do not have spots on their back? Okay, so if 12 out of 180 do have spots, I can try to do some basic mental math here, but really let's work it out. Let's subtract 180 and 12 to figure out how many do not have spots on their back. And then we'll use that information to predict out of 1,200. So I'm just thinking, instead of thinking 180 minus 12, I'm just doing 80 minus 12 is 68, right? Because that would be 10, that would be 7. So 168 do not. So 168 out of 180 do not have spots. And I will then use that probability to figure out how many it is out of 1,200. Oh, it's just so much. I'm going to cut them in half, like divide by 2 to reduce my fractions. So 180 divided by 2 is 90. 168 divided by 2 is 84. Since they're both even, I'm going to cut them in half again. That's going to be 45. And then 84 cut in half is 42. And honestly, I can reduce it again by 3. No, I'll just cross multiply, divide. It's fine. So cross multiply, divide. The reason I reduced before is because you guys see how big those numbers are. I don't want to have to multiply that and then divide by those big numbers. I'd rather work with smaller numbers. All right, 42 times 1,200. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 0, 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. 0, 0, 4, 10, 5. All right. 50,400 divided by 45. 50,400 divided by 45. 45 can go into 50 times, but it can go into 51 times. It can go into 54 one time. It's 9. It can go into 92 times. And it can go into 0 times. So my final answer is 1,120 frogs are predicted to not have spots on their back, which is answer choice P.